Welcome to our small space laundry showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular compact washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for those living in tight quarters, but they serve different needs. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the right fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub can handle up to 8 pounds of laundry for washing and 5 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for small batches of regular clothing. In contrast, the Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine is designed for delicate items with a capacity of 16 liters, but it is limited to small apparel such as baby clothes and socks. This makes the twin tub a better choice for users needing to wash standard-size laundry. Portability is another crucial factor. The Super Deal Twin Tub weighs 23.5 pounds and requires a dedicated space for use, making it less ideal for travel. On the other hand, the Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine is incredibly lightweight, at just 3.5 pounds, and folds down to a mere 6 inches high, making it perfect for travel or small storage spaces. If you prioritize portability, the Sangukiro is the clear winner. In terms of functionality, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub operates as a semi-automatic machine, allowing users to wash and spin simultaneously. However, it requires manual filling and draining of water. Conversely, the Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine is fully automatic, with timed cycles of 3, 5, or 10 minutes, making it easier to use for quick washes. This makes the Sangukiro more user-friendly for those who want a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, the choice between the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Sangukiro Portable Washing Machine ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a machine that can handle regular laundry loads efficiently, the Twin Tub is your best bet. However, if you prioritize portability and ease of use for delicate items, the Sangukiro is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.